Today we're going to talk about a new website called videonot.es. If you just go to the site there, videonot.es, what we're going to do is just click on create your notes and the site will load, and what it lets you do is watch a YouTube video and take notes at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to jump across to YouTube and we're going to find a video about Pythagoras, and we're going to look and we're going to say this Khan Academy video. We've got this one here. We might use this video, so we're going to click on it. We're going to grab the URL from the top there. I'm just going to do a copy, close that, and I'm going to paste the video in there and then load it. So what's going to happen is that Pythagoras video is going to start here, and while it's playing I can take notes, and we're quickly going to do that. So we can see that there's a bit of an ad at the start, and usually you wouldn't want your kids to watch that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to take a note. Start here.
Notice that we have a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that the sum
We're going to take some
of the
notes as we go, as this video plays.
The legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse, or a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are the legs of the right triangle and c is the hypotenuse. So here, since our legs have lengths of 6 and 8, and our hypotenuse has a length
She's just
of
talked about
x,
the formula, so I'm just going to write the word
we can
formula.
set up the equation 6 squared plus 8 squared equals x squared.
Now she's just taken the data from
Solving
the
from here,
diagram.
6 squared is 6 times 6, or 36, and 8 squared is 8 times 8, or 64. So we have 36 plus 64 equals x squared.
She's just expanded the
36 plus 64 is 100, so we have 100 equals x squared. Now to get x by itself, since x is being squared, we must take the square root of x.
She's talking about the
If we take the square root of the right side of the equation, we must also take the square root of the left side of the equation. On the left, the square root of 100 is 10, and on the right, the square root of x squared is x. So our answer is 10 equals x.
and she's just solved it. Okay, so now that we've recorded that, we can then click back, and if I say I really want to check out what the formula is, if I click on the formula, it instantly rewinds the video straight to that area where you took that note. So if I want to look at where she worked out the square root of x, I click on there, and it takes me straight to that video where you took the note. And you can click on any of these yellow squares, and it will take you directly to that spot within the video. Really handy if you're watching long videos, or you want kids, for example, to start their video once all the ads are played or all the bits that you don't need them to see. So rather than them sitting through, it's only 17 seconds in that example, but in some examples it could be really high. Now what you can then do, once you've got that set up, is if you click on share, it will come up in exactly the same way as a Google Doc does, and I'm just going to remove that person and hit save. But then what I can do is I can go to the role and paste in my class, or I can send it to any other person that I wanted to from here. They will then click that link. It will take them to this screen with all of your notes and the video in the same spot. So you can share in the same way you would a normal Google Doc with any other student, or basically anyone within the school, and they will get your notes and they will get that video.